Hi there, my name's Savannah and I'm studying for a master's degree in Endangered Species Recovery and Conservation with NTU. As part of our captive breeding module, we've flown to the island of Jersey to spend some time with the Durrel Conservation Academy, based at Jersey Zoo and run by the Durrel Wildlife Conservation Trust. Here's some of the things I've gotten up to whilst I've been here.
We flew out on a Monday morning and made our way to the Durrel Wildlife Hostel. We'll be spending 3 days here taking part in a mix of lectures, field trips and zoo visits to learn all about Durrel's approach to conservation and putting species recovery into practice. It was such a nice place to stay. The food was amazing and the staff was so nice. Our first day consisted of lectures introducing us to the legacy of Gerald Durrell himself and how the Durrel Wildlife Conservation Trust has evolved over the years. We had a super informative tour of the whole zoo site and learnt about Durrel's conservation strategy going forward. We then had a little bit of free time afterwards to explore the zoo and the gift shop and their on-site charity shop. Day 2 involved learning about some of the species-led recovery programs that Durrel are working towards, such as the Madagascar pochard, the world's rarest duck, and the Montserrat mountain chicken frog. We even took a field trip out to the very windy Sorrel Point, where Durrel have been reintroducing red-billed choughs, a bird previously extinct in Jersey but now growing in number through land restoration and post-release management and support. It was amazing to see a success story up close and a real-life example of conservation in action. On day 3, we learnt more about how zoos can contribute to conservation and even had some behind-the-scenes tours, getting an insider look at how the zoo cares for the species they hold. We got the chance to ask Lee Durrell, the honorary director of the trust, our questions about everything we'd learned and hear her words of advice and encouragement for our cohort of aspiring conservationists. In our free time, it was so nice to be able to spend time with my course mates and we had some really good laughs. The end of the week quiz was a particular highlight. Our time here went so quickly and before I knew it, it was Friday and we were flying home.
I've learned so much this week and I'm really grateful to the Academy for having us. I cannot wait to come back and visit in future. I hope you've enjoyed seeing what we've gotten up to. Thank you very much for watching.